This is the first time that I have seen so clean atmosphere around me. You can see almost, I can see lots of things which is far behind, far from me. For example, I'm showing you. Can you guess what is that? सूरत के लोग इसको ज़रूर पहचान जाएंगे. ये रिंग रोड पे बिल्डिंग जो बीच में सेंटर में आपको दिख रही है. Miss, this is the first time that I am able to see this building from my building's terrace. It's so clean. This lockdown has turned out to be a blessing for our city and maybe for the whole country. So clean. And even you can see here, that's a Tapi river. ये सब हमारे घर से कम तापी रिवर आई थिंक 1.5 kilometer 2 kilometer away. And that building which I showed you earlier, ये है आई थिंक ये रोटेटिंग रेस्टोरेंट है या समथिंग कुछ है, रिवॉल्विंग रेस्टोरेंट. ये मेरे घर से कम 8-9 किलोमीटर होगा, आई थिंक सो. और उधर तो एज यूजुअल पोल्यूशन रहता है हमेशा, तो दिखना कम है, बट फिर भी आज क्लियर है. बट दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. I can see lots of places right from the top of my building. It's so clean, very less pollution. This is amazing. I think this lockdown should always means on a regular basis it should be implemented for around after every 3 or 4 months, just for 21 days. And it has not completed yet, only few days, and it's so clean. It looks so clean. It looks so beautiful. Amazing.